Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we'll see type 4 types of numerical in the resultant. Already we are seeing type 1, type 2, type 3. You can watch that video. So first we'll see what is the question. Two component forces P and Q. So this is P force and this is a Q force act at O such that the resultant acts along x-axis. Determine the magnitude of Q, hence the resultant. So it is a type 4 type of numerical because the resultant is given along x-axis. So your resultant is horizontal. This question was asked in May 2014 in the Mumbai University. So first we understand what is the logic behind this question. So just underline this sentence, resultant acts along x-axis. So the logic behind this is, as the resultant is along x-axis, it means it is a horizontal force. So either it is towards right or towards left. You can imagine any direction. So we know R is equal to square root of summation of fx square and summation of fy square. So in this, as it acts along x-axis, summation of fy is equal to 0 and summation of fx is equal to resultant. So this is the logic behind this question. So for this question, we'll consider summation of fy 0 and summation of fx is equal to the value of the resultant. So we'll start with the step 1. Find the angle of all the forces with positive x-axis. So in the given force system, this angle is along the x-axis, but this angle is given in terms of these triangle values. Two sides of the triangles were given, so we can find out the angle between them. So this angle we can find out by using tan relation. So we'll consider this triangle. One side of this triangle is 4 and other side is 3. So this angle means this angle is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4, opposite side upon adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to 3 by 4. So theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 by 4. So we'll get theta is equal to 36.87. Remember, this angle is with respect to the vertical axis. So this is 36.87. So this angle will be 90 minus 36.87. So it is 53.13. So in this way we can calculate the angles with positive x-axis. Now we'll go to the second step. Find summation of vertical component. So this is the given figure. So we know that summation of fy is equal to addition of all vertical components. So for that we'll refer this chart. So this gives the signs for x and y component in various quadrant. So first force is 480 Newton. So for 480 Newton, angle is 30 degree and it is located in the first quadrant. Y component is calculated here. So 480 sine 30. Then the next one is Q. Q is located in the fourth quadrant, so its Y value is negative. So minus Q into sine 53.13. So here we can put a summation of Fy is equal to 0 as the resultant is horizontal. That's why. So 0 is equal to 480 sine 30 minus Q sine 53.13. You can find the value. 480 sine 30 is equal to 240 minus the value of sine 53.13 is 0.8 into Q. Now this value goes to the left hand side. So here we get 0.8 into Q is equal to 240. So now we can find the value of Q by dividing 240 by 0.8. So the value of Q is equal to 300 Newton. So by following this way, we can find the values of Q. Now resultant is equal to summation of Fx. So for this also we'll refer this chart. For that we will find out summation of Fx part. For this force, it is equal to 480 cos 30 and its value is positive as it is located in the first quadrant. For Q, its value will be Q cos 53.13 and its value is again positive because it is located in the fourth quadrant. Now the value of Q is known. Q is equal to 300, so we can put the value here and we can find the value of summation of Fx is equal to 599.69. As we know, for this example, the resultant value will be equal to summation of Fx. So here we can directly write R is equal to 599.69. So in this way we can calculate the value of resultant and the value of unknown if the resultant is given is horizontal. Now as the value of summation of Fx is positive, we can assume that direction of resultant is towards the right side. So we can show it. So resultant is located towards right side and its value is equal to 599.69. If its value comes out to be minus 599.69, it means it is towards the left side. So in this way we can easily identify the value of magnitude and the direction of the resultant by following this simple step. I hope you like this video. Thank you very much.